Hi guys, welcome to Teachers In. So today we'll discuss about one of the prestigious institute in India. They are looking for faculty positions, and as I mentioned here, you can see the qualification will be PhD or without PhD, and salary they are providing 70,000 to 90,000 per month. So let's go to their official website and we'll see the details. So you can see here, this is the advertisement they have mentioned here. They are looking for faculty on contract basis and essential qualification PhD in design or master's degree in regular in design and engineering with 5 years of experience after their master's degree, preferably as an industrial designer in an industry or academia. So if you have a PhD, it is good. If you don't have PhD, then it is also good, but you should have minimum 5 years of experience in that particular field. Then we will go a little bit down. You can see here the area of expertise they have mentioned here, like visual communication design, then interaction design, then human factors and agronomics, then aesthetic and forms and sketching. So these are the skills you should have. Then further candidates are required to have hands-on skills and experience of working in a studio environment. And age is up to 45 years age, and period of contract, this is for 2 years contract. Okay, and compensation they have mentioned here, they will give you 75,000 to 90,000 per month into account the experience with 10% annual increment every year, subject to a performance review by a committee. So apart from this salary, they will give you 10% increment every year. Then leave, they will give you 15 days leave in the academic year, including the vacation period or excluding the vacation period. And reservation they are giving for SC, ST, OBC, EWS candidate will be as per the government norms. So you can read the details. Benefit of extended to faculty, all the details you can read here. Additional information you can go through this. And the last date for application is they have mentioned here. Important dates. Opening date for online application is 28th May 2021, and the closing date for online application is 25th June 2021. So last date for online application is 25th June 2021. And I'll show you the university name. You can see the university name. This is the Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, Kanchipuram. So this institute is famous for designing and manufacturing sector. So this is one of the finest college. If you want to study, you want to make your career in designing and manufacturing sector. So it is located in Chennai, Kanchipuram. And how to reach this notification? So this is the official website of Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, Kanchipuram. So if you go a little bit down, here you can say in middle of this advertisement, one announcement option is there. And the second position, it has mentioned recruitment of faculty on contract basis. So you have to click here. Then you can go to little bit down. Then you can see here, left side they have mentioned here notification. So if you click on that, you will see this notification. Whatever I have shown you, the same notification you can see here. Then for application, you have to click here. They have mentioned here, faculty recruitment on contract portal will be open soon. So maybe tomorrow it will open, because today is Sunday, so tomorrow is Monday, so Monday it will open, so you can apply from here. So these are the details, and try to apply as soon as possible. And the last date I have shown you already. So last date is, you can see here, 25th June 2021. If you have any query, if you have any if you want any kind of information, then you can write to them through this email, or you can call them through this number. So these are the details. So thank you, all the best. So before leaving, I want to say our Teachers In channel is fully dedicated to teachers, those who are looking for teachers related any studies, teachers related any competitive exam, teachers related any jobs. So they can subscribe our channel. In future, if there will be any update, so you can get it from here. Apart from this, you can also follow our social media sites like Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn, so that any notification will come immediately, you will get that notification. So thank you, all the best.